Hello, this is Stephanie from mypastcmaexam.com. I received a great question from a reader on how to differentiate the management accounting certifications around the world. I'd like to show you the major ones and my recommendation in this video. CIMA in the United Kingdom. Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, better known as CIMA, is a UK-based professional body for management accounting. Founded in 1919, it is the largest management accounting association in the world. As of September 2014, there are more than 218,000 members and students representing 177 countries. In order to become a CIMA member, the candidate must pass the 15 qualifying examinations, complete at least 3 years of qualifying practice, and obtain verification and endorsement from supervisors. Please note that some exam papers can be exempted depending on your education level. CIMA has mutual recognition agreement with CMA Canada, MOU with ICAI in India, and alliance in various degrees with other universities and accounting associations. For details, please check out this page on my website. In 2011, CIMA entered into a joint venture with the AICPA, the Associations for CPAs in the US, to create a global management accounting designation called the CGMA, which stands for Chartered Global Management Accountant. CGMA, with the backing of two powerful associations, is very promising, but it remains to be seen whether yet another accounting qualifications will be accepted by the business community. For a comparison of CGMA and CMA in the US, please check out this link. IMA in the US. The CMA designation is granted by the Institute of Management Accountant, known as the IMA, which is based in the US. Also founded in 1919, there are more than 70,000 members, including certification holders and candidates. In order to become a CMA in the US, candidates must pass the two-part exam and accumulate 2 consecutive years of relevant experience. CMA US does not have mutual recognition agreements with other major management accounting bodies, except for ICAI in India. Candidates who successfully go through the CMA program outside of India can apply for ICAI membership. IMA also has strategic alliance with ACCA, which allows ACCA full members to automatically qualify for the CMA exam. IMA's strategy seems to be growing its membership base organically in different parts of the world. 30% of members are now from Asia Pacific and Middle East. CMA Canada. CMA Canada has been a Canadian professional body for management accountants. In 2013, 3 accounting associations in Canada were merged to form the new designation of Certified Professional Accountant, known as the CPA Canada. The combined association has approximately 125,000 members, as well as 20,000 candidates and registered students. The exam requirement and certification process is not finalized. The first CPA exams are expected to roll out in fall 2015. Traditionally, the Canadian accounting qualifications have been designed for those who are educated and planning to work within the country. In other words, the qualifications make sense only if you live and work within Canada. CMA Canada used to have mutual recognition agreements with CIMA and CPA Australia. It remains to be seen whether this applies to the new designation. ICMA in Australia. ICMA, which stands for the Institute of Certified Management Accountants, is a management accounting body that grants the CMA title in Australia. It is a relatively new institute founded in 1996, currently with 2,500 members, including certificate holders and candidates. There was a proposed merger of ICMA and IMA in 2006, but they fell through in the end. For now, the Institute is not linked to any other professional associations, but there are normally exemptions to the Australian exams if you are a CA or CPA elsewhere. Other certifications. There are other cost and management accounting associations in the world, but they are either smaller or are meant for professionals in their respective countries. The next question is, which certification should we go for? In terms of global footprint and recognition in important regions around the world, the choice, in my opinion, boils down to CIMA versus IMA. CIMA has the largest membership base and an important alliance with AICPA. The certification is well recognized in many countries due to its size and history. Also, the program is very flexible as it allows candidates to start at different entry levels based on their education level and experience. IMA, on the other hand, is smaller and with fewer alliances, but it has successfully built up a sizable footprint in China and the Middle East. The CMA program is also simpler as it only requires 2 exam sections versus the 50 exams in CIMA if you cannot get hold of any exemptions. I recommend that you pick based on the region that you would like to develop your long-term career. If it is the US, China, or the Middle East, or you want to work in companies that are headquartered in these countries, then CMA offered by the IMA makes the most sense. If it is the UK and the Commonwealth countries other than Canada and Australia, CIMA may be a better choice. I hope this video gives you an overview of management accounting professional bodies around the world and how to make the right choice for yourself. If you have any questions on these certifications or on the CMA exam in general, please leave me a message in the comment section below. You may also want to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more analysis, tips, and updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.